Having a factory-made drop-in product that we can just buy off the shelf and put it into our projects is the biggest benefit for us. Hi, my name's Neil. I'm the director of the design and construct company Futureflip. We're back at our Belinda project here in the beautiful Gerringong to see the finished product. So our clients came to us about 2 years ago when they decided to knock their old house down and build two separate homes, and they wanted an investment on one side and a home for them on the other side. Their brief was Palm Springs inspired, but they wanted to capture the view out the back, and they wanted a really low maintenance resort style home. Having the pools installed in one day really sped up our process. Instead of having months of preparation and delays for the access out the back for the pools to be constructed, we literally got it over and done with in one day, craned them in, covered them over, and the construction was then able to start. To be honest, I think the entire building industry is going through a really tough time at the moment when it comes to labour shortages, and we struggle on every job to be able to find the amount of labour required to even build a pool. So for us, having a factory-made drop-in product that we can just buy off the shelf and put it into our projects is the biggest benefit for us, because it means that the price isn't going to fluctuate, and when we're pricing a job as a building company, we know the exact price off the website of that pool, and we're not reliant on whatever trade is available at that time and the price that they want to charge to build the pool. I would recommend using Plungie to anyone, because you're in control of the budget and you're in control of the quality, which you can't really get from anywhere else.